guys.
Hey, what's up?
Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Melissa.
I'm Travis.
And this is our third episode in the House to Home series. And we are about to unbox a few gifts.
Finally. Finally. We've had these boxes for a minute now. And yeah, it's Christmas, so we figured perfect time to start unpacking some stuff, making some space. We're getting the home together piece by piece. You guys should be seeing that. So yeah, we decided to do it with you guys today.
Yeah, and these gifts, if you're wondering, are from our family and very, very close friends. We didn't have a housewarming yet, so if you're wondering why you weren't aware, it's because our family is so loving and so caring, and they wanted to, you know, help us get our house together, even though we didn't actually have a housewarming event. And that to me means the most, because it's not about the actual showing out for the event. It's let me see what you need, let me ask, provide a list for us, and we'll get you guys together.
Yeah, really. So. And it was like simple things like we could have just been mentioning. It was like, put it on your list. You know, like I was sitting one day in bed and I was like, oh, wouldn't it be great to just have this thing? And before you know it, it was coming in the shopping cart. So anyway, yeah, ready to open these boxes, guys, and clear the space out with us.
Let's do it. First box. To you, my love.
All right, we need something to cut these open with. Let's see what's in this box, guys.
And
it's a box in a box.
And guess what, guys? I'm not sure who sent what, so make sure you look for a gift note. There's something else in it.
I know, I saw that. Okay, so this is
nice.
Look like a storage container or something like that.
It's an organizer for like your Tupperware.
It's a Tupperware organizer, container, storage, whatever you want to call it. All right, it's pretty cool. It's an easy assembly based on what I see. So you pretty much just
I love this already.
I guess those would be for the covers.
Yes.
And then you can put
love it. Love.
fly trap.
Oh, I remember
it's an
that.
electrical fly trap?
Yeah, because during the spring, guys, oh my goodness, the flies were terrible.
Got a night
I mean,
light
during
on
the
it.
summer.
Okay. Oh, that's pretty cool.
I love that. A box in a box again. It says a 14-piece knife set. Ooh, this is very nice. Guys, they ordered this so long ago, October 14th. My goodness. Oh my gosh. To the Matthews, wishing you many happy, healthy years of delicious meals. Love, Stanley, Lathan, and Leotha. Oh, this is so sweet. Happy, healthy years of delicious meals. Thank you, sis.
That's my sister, y'all. If y'all don't know, big up. Thank you, sis. We love it.
Thank you, sis. Thank you,
Something we
Stanley.
probably definitely needed, guys.
Thank you, bro. Seasoning the fish today and needing to cut it, and I was like, man, we really need a knife set, and forgot that we even added this. I know you guys want to see how cute they are. Oh, this feels like quality. And it's so gorgeous. Oh my goodness, you guys. Beautiful.
You helping music? Or you just making a mess? You're making a mess, boy.
Get down, music. Get down.
Music? Off. Off.
Beautiful. Guys. Very nice. nice. All right. Love it. Love it already. All right, I'm gonna save these to keep doing. Guys, I'm so excited already. So excited for all this stuff. Definitely don't need to return. We have 2 big boxes right here, and I want hubby to open one of them.
Can I just go to the box?
Yeah, you could just go to the box.
Ceiling fan.
And it's so cute.
This was for Taylor's room or our room?
I think that's for our room. Because remember, Taylor's room has to get the electrical wiring done. A ceiling fan, guys.
We need it.
Thank you, thank you. This box was ginormous for that little box. Is there paper in there? Okay, so this is the next big box, you guys.
Yes, and we are not opening this today because it's wintertime and the grass has not even been grown for like a month or 2. But what happened was I was pretty much loaning the lawnmower for one of my co-workers who didn't really have to cut his grass as much, but he had one. So he was letting me use it and hold it because I was determined to cut my own grass because wifey went and hired.
Please tell them this story, please.
She just went and hired some guy who was just coming around cutting my grass. Like, you know what I'm saying? She's trying to give him the washing machine and dryers for free. And it's just a thing about a man taking care of his own yard. You know what I'm saying? You water your own garden and you cut your own grass. Nobody coming around here doing no trimming and no hedging.
Let me tell you how this man made me fire the lawn guy because and let me tell you, he made me fire him after the guy did the hardest work. I'm like, why didn't you go do that part yourself?
What was the hardest work?
When he had to remove those the beautiful trees because they were harmful to music.
I don't have the equipment to do that.
So he let the guy do that and was like, I could do this job. I said, you could have done the digging of the trees too.
We didn't even move into this house yet, and I think we already paid this guy damn near $600. Right? Like, what's up with that? Anyway, so now I got my lawnmower, and this is it. And guess what? I don't even have to use it right now. So.
Thank you, Leota and Stanley, for this amazing gift.
My sister again coming through.
Thank you, because when I tell you this lawnmower is not cheap, okay? It's not cheap.
Yep.
Thank you. And it's what hubby really, really wanted.
Next up.
While he does that, there were a few other things that we got that we aren't able to show. Like his mother bought our grill. My mom bought our kitchen table, which we'll show you guys. So we've got a ton of help, you guys. Like a ton of help.
Yeah. I think I know what this one is.
Yeah, so you think you know what this one is?
I think I know what this one is. I think this is one of those ones where I was laying in bed and I was like, this would be a good idea if I had this. So hopefully we can get it.
There's a gift receipt.
For this thing.
Okay, do you want to read it?
It says, Mr. Travis Matthew, enjoy your house gift. Love, Mommy Hilma from Hilma Francis.
Another gift from his mom.
Yes, this is exactly what I think it is.
So it's a smart kettle. You go ahead and open it. He said, so basically he was laying in bed and said, I wish I had a kettle that I could just say, Alexa, start kettle.
And there she goes responding.
And that's what he got. So my mother-in-law bought this super smart kettle that hooks up to Alexa. She also bought our grill, which you're not going to see anything outside yet because that's still to be done. So be patient, little butterfly.
Yeah, so how cool is it? You know, you fill your kettle with water the night before, and instead of having to come downstairs to put the kettle on, to wait for it to boil, which you probably don't want to sit downstairs and do, you just say, hey, Alexa, start kettle. Then it lets you know, kettle's done, and you come downstairs and make your coffee. You know, we work our way up to the iRobot. That's going to do that for us. I'm pretty sure I'm not the one that's going to be using this the most.
I told him that he just has to make sure that it has water in it from the night before.
There we go.
Headback book, as they said. Oh,
Teamwork
this
makes
is
the dream
already so sleek.
Like, look at this, dude.
Wow.
Look at this. Well, you know what I'm talking about?
This is so sleek, you guys.
The iPhone, iRobot, this is the iKettle. Right?
Wow. Very sleek.
Yes. Thank you, Mom. Love you.
Thank you, Mom. Super cute. Wow. Okay, I'm gonna get you another box. Don't throw this out. I know guys don't like to read the instructions, but please do. We got a big box. I knew I had this, you guys.
What is it?
This is the Caraway of all Caraway pot sets. Okay, so here's a little story. I ended up getting 2 of these. If you're watching this, you know who Caraway is. And I'm probably just going to do a separate unboxing. Not going to open it right now because I want to do like a sponsored video, though it's not sponsored. And it's the cream colored one. So that's all I'm going to tell you. Oh, there are pictures?
Yeah. So you guys get a sneak peek of what it looks like before she does the official unboxing for this.
Also, this is from my mother-in-law as well. Thank you, Mom. She said that she was watching TV and saw an ad and was like, oh my gosh, Melissa would love this. Then when she asked us to put a list together, she saw that I added it on the list, and so she was just so happy to order it. My sister-in-law also ended up ordering one, so I had 2. Okay, so I could have kept both, but I'm not greedy like that. Anyways, yeah.
We got a few more boxes to pull, guys. So let's keep it going.
It's so heavy. Wow. My pot set is so cute. Can't wait to take that out for the holiday.
All right, we got one more.
Tear the box, baby. Tear it up. Oh, I think this is from Jareem. And there's a little note in here. It says, oh, this is from Tony. Enjoy your gift from Anthony Francis. That's Travis's brother.
Go, bro.
Thank you, bro. I love this teapot set. Can you open it, please?
Yes, yes.
You know how long I've wanted a teapot set? Because we're going to do floating shelves near the kitchen. And these are going to be displayed on them. So that when we're having like our little teas in the morning, I'll probably use it tomorrow. So cute.
Oh, you got it.
So cute! Thank you, bro. Thank you, bro.
It's not smart though. It can't warm your water for you, but man.
But we could sit and have tea together like this outside because, yeah. What is this?
Coasters for me.
Nice little saucer. Let's have some tea together, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. And this one's done. Again, like hubby said, we're going to link all of these.
All right. So let's see what we got going here, guys. No note in this one.
No note. Needs a knife. Music. Oh, it's an old school lemon squeezer.
Mm-hmm.
Put it closer. It's an old school lemon squeezer, guys. That's so cute. There's no note in the box. This box.
But thank you, whoever it came from.
Thank you. This is like a mashup of all different things that came that I just threw in the box.
Oh, okay.
So.
Needed one of these. You guys are, listen, I am the worst when it comes to peeling stuff. You would end up with nothing if you let me peel it. So this is a must have in the house for me. Thank you, whoever gave it to us.
Open this one. And that's so cute. My best friend Jasmine, she ended up sending us some stuff that came in clutch the week that we were decorating.
Yes.
We have a video of that.
We must too. I'm pretty sure.
So I'm gonna insert that video.
Literally,
so you can
we was
see
here doing some stuff, and we was on our way to Home Depot or Lowe's to grab some tools that we needed for a project that we was handling currently.
Yeah.
And as soon as I open the door, there's a box sitting there with the sweetest note from our sister Jasmine and Ali, our brother and sister, with the tools we specifically needed.
Yes.
I just use them to hang my TV in the garage.
Yes.
We've been using this stuff every day since.
That was the very first package we received and it was
house,
so on time. She sent sage so that we could cleanse the house.
Yep.
She sent this tray that like you can use to either serve food or use it at your entranceway. She sent coasters because we would need those. And she sent the toolkit.
And it came in so clutch.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
And this is so cute. It's like a kitchen.
Like a cookie jar.
Yeah.
Or whatever you want to put it. Tea jar, cookie jar, sugar jar, whatever it is. But really cute. It has a wooden top with a gold handle.
So this is just all kitchen stuff right here.
I guess it would be like a cutting board / little decoration thing.
Yeah. And this is also some kind of decoration thing. Yeah.
Yep.
A lot of gift notes. This one says from Tony here. Did you read this one? Enjoy. Oh, from your mom.
That's the same one.
Enjoy your house.
Okay.
Yep. All right, guys. So that is it for now in terms of everything that we received so far. Again, like I said, there's other things that we received that you aren't seeing in this video, which you will see.
We received Taylor's vanity.
Oh yeah, we received We received 2 vanities.
Yeah, that's been the trend of our gifts. The box is so big, it's right out there. But we also received that. I'll show you guys a video of it set up.
Yeah.
There's a video of me setting it up too as well. So yeah. Thank you guys for all the gifts we receive. Hope you guys enjoy watching this video of us unboxing a lot of the treats we have. We're gonna link all the stuff that we came earlier that we didn't put in now. Thank you guys for subscribing and watching all the videos we've been sharing. The channel has been growing significantly.
Yes.
We appreciate all the old and new subscribers.
Yes.
Thank you for continuing to share our videos. Don't forget to like the videos as you watch them, leaving us a comment. Wifey will definitely make sure she responds to you guys. All the new subscribers, hi, welcome to the family. We appreciate y'all. And yeah, keep watching and we can keep sharing with you, okay?
Yeah, so thank you guys. We'll see you in the next video.